Ras. Oh my gosh, I could be a Ras now. Good morning. So as you can see, I'm braiding my hair today. I started last night and I just did like these 10 braids, and then the top hair I'm going to do some cables, and then I can start my day, take some pictures. It's actually not my first time braiding, but I don't think I ever did it like 10 like this. So yeah, I like it so far. So this is, I hold the braiding hair as close to my scalp as I can, and then I start braiding it with my hair, and I do that all the way down. So now we're moving on to the front of my head where we're doing the cornrows. So I start off just plaiting as normal, as you would do a normal one, and then eventually I would just add in small pieces as I go along. They call this the feed in method, and this was actually my first time doing it, so that's just to show you how easy it is to do. So I'm adding in another piece here, and I continue plaiting it and braiding it. So it's the same thing here, where I hold the braiding hair as close to my head as possible, and I just incorporate it with my hair and just braid as I would normally do it. When I reach the end, I just continue braiding it as normal all the way to the end. So I just showered, and so this is the final look with my hair. I'm very pleased. And well, I'm gonna make some breakfast. It's like midday, but yeah, it's breakfast time for me now. I'll do a facial while I'm making my breakfast. Why does it smell like that? It doesn't smell good at all. I'm having my breakfast now. I made this smoothie. It's a beetroot smoothie. I love beetroot so much. I was gonna have some eggs, but then I was like, I no change. Can I go a ras? Oh my gosh, I could be a rasta woman. Oh, a long thread. No holding back, no, when I'm with you, it's all up to you. So this is what I basically did for the rest of the day. Just chill, and I went to bed pretty early. So yeah, just end the vlog here. So thank you for being here, and yeah, bye.